today's video, we show you our top 5 FBA deals from the month of July. So welcome back to the channel. Today we have our next part of this series, the top 5 FBA deals which we find each month. Today is the 5th part in the series, and if you did want to see the older ones, I will just link them up here, so make sure to check them out if you want some inspiration on what types of deals are out there. So all of these deals come from our Deal of the Day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday for all of our customers in our Discord community. We do this for both the UK and our US customers. And we'll just overlay how that looks right now. But the reason we do this is just to give our users inspiration on the types of deals out there. Where do they need to look? What should they be looking for? And it does give our users a massive head start when it comes to Amazon FBA. Now, just a quick note, we don't really recommend buying any of these deals, as they do get seen by a lot of people, and that does mean the prices do drive right down. So please note as well, all of the prices I'll be showing you today and all the profitability figures are correct at the time we send them in, but obviously because they do go out on our Discord and our social medias, that often lots of people do end up buying them and the price does plummet a bit. But that's enough about Deal of the Day. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be running you through 5 deals. I'm going to be running you through all the main data which you need to be analysing, and how much profit you're making, how much it's selling, and so on. So let's get started. So the first product we have is from the website Sainsbury's, and it's this aerial washing liquid gel touch off Febreze, 24 washes. We can buy it for £4.50. It is still £4.50 at the moment. We sent this in a few weeks ago. So you'll see the Profitl extension now pop up onto the screen, so you can see all the profitability figures. So you can see it's selling between 30 to 90 units a month. It's got great reviews, 154 reviews, 5-star rated. And the all important thing here is it was selling on Amazon for £13.74. So we were buying it for £4.50, but it sells on Amazon for £13.74. So that is a massive difference. Now, if you've seen our videos before, you know there are a few main metrics we look for. The first one is this return on investment. And this basically gives us a really quick glance whether it's worth going for. We always aim to get about 30% ROI minimum. This one is getting 70%, which is just amazing. And that means we get an estimated profit of £3.13 per unit. And with only 2 other FBA sellers, there's not much competition whatsoever. So the next product we have is from the website Notino, and it's this Sonicare Protective Clean toothbrush. Now currently it's £65.69, but there was a discount code at the time for 20% off, which meant we could buy this product for £51.52. Now let's make the Profitl extension pop up. The thing which pops up straight away is the sales. I mean, look at these. There was absolutely insane sales on this listing, and it was selling for £100. So we were buying it for £51.52, and it was selling for £100. So I mean, I'm sure you can imagine the potential profit on this one. Had great reviews, 5,700 reviews, 5-star rated. And like the last one, it's got a really good return on investment, so 52%. But the thing we absolutely loved about this one was £26.62 profit. Now, obviously there is a good chance that this price would come down, so you wouldn't get that much profit, but to be getting profit figures like that is just incredible. And that is what you can do with arbitrage. Now, there was slightly more FBA sellers than we usually like to go for on this one. So there was 6 FBA sellers, which is a little on the high side, but we did check the stock levels for them at the time, and most didn't have too much in stock, so it wasn't a problem at all. We just wanted to let you quickly know about an exclusive Profitl discount, which we have for our YouTube viewers, which I'll just make pop up here. So if you were interested in joining Profitl, make sure to take down that code, and it will save you either 20% off a monthly plan or 5% off a yearly plan. But that's enough about now. Let's jump back into the video. So the next product we have is from the website Feel Unique, and it's this Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and it was the fair neutral colour. Currently it's £3.55. At the time we could actually buy it for £3.40, so it's only gone up 15p, so not much difference at all. Now let's make the Profitl extension show up. So firstly with the sales, 90 to 210 sales, so great sales in this one. It was selling for £7.01 on Amazon, so buying for £3.40, selling for £7. So a nice difference there. Now good reviews on this one, so 2,500 reviews, 4.5-star rated, as you can see. Return on investment 50%, so this is much higher than the 30% we usually aim for, giving us an estimated profit per unit of £1.43. Now moving on to the sellers, there was only 4 FBA sellers, which is absolutely perfect for us. Ideally you want less than 5. Between 5 and 10 you can go for if it's a good buy. I mean, probably this one, if it was between 5 to 10, you could go for. Over 10 you do need to be a little bit careful of. You only really want to go for them if it's a really high selling item, and you always want to be checking your competitors' stock levels on that as well. Deal number 4, we have a product from the website Boots. It's this Ted Baker Rose and Cassis, I believe that's how you say it. Body spray, 150 millilitres. We could buy it for £6 and we can still buy it for £6 at the moment. So let's make the Profitl extension pop up again. So as you can see, selling between 30 to 90 units a month. So we've got good sales there, which is great. It was selling on Amazon at the time for £14.99. So we're buying it for £6. It's selling on Amazon for £14.99. Good product reviews, 4.5 star rated, only 14 reviews, so it must be a newer product. But return on investment was 71%, which is just amazing. So well over double our aim, giving us an estimated profit of £4.27 per unit. Now, again, on this one, there was slightly more FBA sellers than we usually like. Under 10, as I mentioned, you can go for. And when you're getting a profit like this, and we checked all the other data as well to make sure it was all good, there is obviously a few more confluences in just buying it for low and selling it for more. So if you were interested in learning more about the actual analysis which goes on behind it, make sure to check out the video I just link up here, as we do talk about all the things you need to be looking for when buying your FBA deal. But back onto this product, only 7 FBA sellers, so not a problem whatsoever, and with a profit of £4.27, and it's a reasonably fast moving product, we didn't have any worries at all. Okay, so our 5th and final product is Webox Cat Treats for 99p. Now this product was actually a multi-pack. So there was a pack of 4 selling on Amazon. So what we'd do in this case is we'd obviously buy our units and we would package them up together to make a single unit. So our product cost on this one for 4 would be £3.96. Now let's make the Profitl extension show up. So as you can see, a pack of 4 was selling for £12.40. So buying for £3.96, selling for £12.40, a really nice difference there. Sales of 30 to 60 units a month. This was a newer product, so only 4 reviews, but it was 5-star rated, which is great. And this one's got the best ROI out of all of them today, so 94% return on investment, which is just amazing, giving us a profit per unit of £3.70. Now onto the sellers, only 3 sellers, so not much competition whatsoever. This was a really great buy. So that's our top 5 deals from the month of July, and please note that is such a small number of the deals we actually find. There is so many out there. Now please don't think finding deals is easy. We've obviously been doing this a long time and we do know where to look, we know what to look for, and obviously we've got a team who are looking for these deals. But we hope that does just show the sheer scope and the possibility of using online and retail arbitrage as a method when selling on Amazon FBA. But we hope you found that video interesting. If you were interested in joining Profitl, we have all of our links in the description, and don't forget to take down that discount code. If you're not already subscribed, it would mean the world. And if there are any videos you'd like us to make, just let us know in the comments and we will look to get them created. But as always, thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.